Have you ever seen ancient zombies? They are bloodthirsty, manic and can attack collectively. But they have a fatal weakness, that is, they can't see the sun. Where did these zombies come from? Here is the story. An old Chinese doctor brought his apprentice to see the emperor. Before entering the door, he told the apprentice not to look up. Then they came to the emperor's bedroom. Then the apprentice was a little curious, couldn't help looking up. Then he is dead. The next day, a notice of the emperor's death was posted on the notice board in the city. The PM arrested all the scholars in the city, tortured the scholars to extract confessions, but they still vowed to die. One of the scholars shouted at the officials, "The real rebel in the kingdom is the Zhao family, who formed a party for their own interests. They cheated the imperial court and the people for a long time." The critically ill emperor met only two people. One is the PM from the Zhao family, the other is his daughter, the queen. Therefore, others are suspicious of his health status. The emperor has been in bed for 10 days, and the prince requests to see him every day, but the queen asked him to go back with a look of contempt. So the prince decided to break into the palace himself. Prince sneaks into the palace at night. He suddenly heard a strange sound, so he hid behind the door. A figure with disheveled hair came over and behaved more like a monster. The prince picks up a sword to defend himself. Then the monster approaching slowly. Suddenly, the light went out. He cautiously stepped forward to check. The prince told the army leader that he saw a monster. The leader said that is bullshit, but the prince decided to see his father with his own eyes. But he is stopped by the soldier leader, saying that the prime minister wouldn't let anyone in. It can be seen how powerful the Zhao family is. The prince doesn't care about it. After he returned to the palace, his man found the record book in imperial pharmacy. Logically, the medicine used by the emperor will be recorded. But there is nothing on it. But he found someone he knew on it. The prince felt something weird and decided to find out the truth.